parents and students. I'm just going to give you a little quick tutorial on how to access the student interactives, especially since finding out we're not going to be in school for extended period of time. I wanted to show you how to access my student interactives to make my lessons more fun and easier to understand. So once you've logged in and signed in, and if you need help on how to sign up, please see the other video. Once you're in the login screen, this is what you're going to see. If you want to change your avatar, you just click on the little person. You can click change avatar or change your music room. And then from there, if you're accessing student interactives, you need to click this little yellow button that says student. It's going to bring you to this page. It'll bring you to creatives or student interactives. For right now, I'm going to show you to click student interactives, and it'll bring you to this screen. There will be times during lessons where I allow the students to make their own movement, and you can do that with these screens. That makes it a little more fun for them. So if I click on this, it'll bring me here where I can drag different body percussion sounds, like if I want to stomp or tap my head or clap, and you can press these little tracks to try to play along to come up with your own movements and whatnot. And a lot of them will have different instructions on here, so that way you can see what to do. But like I said, this is something that I'm going to be using from now on just for the lessons, because that's what we do during music class. Just that way it gives them more hands-on experience. And if you have any questions, just let me know. But this should just be a way for them to be able to be more creative and whatnot. And if you need any help, as usual, just let me know. I'll be here. Okay, bye.